Tom, this way. We will walk up the stairs together. Boop, 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 boop. Going from 16 to 17.
I know.
Close to the kitchen that way. And, oh, some luggage is here. Oh, look at, our luggage is here. How nice is that? Oh, got it. Doesn't help that I have a cocktail in my hand.
Don't lie, that ain't a cocktail. Go.
It's water. And there's our dining area. And sofa. Balcony. Refrigerator. Television. Stairs up to our room. Looks like the curtains are pulled already. Okay. Put my drapes down. Okay. It's a little chilly here. Here's our balcony. 2 chairs. Ship there. Haven't left yet, which we're supposed to leave at 4 o'clock. It's already 1:15. Super foggy today. Okay, watch out for the table. Air conditioning is a little bit strong in here. Lock the door. Go upstairs. I was gonna grab my jacket. Always artwork. Here's the bed. Mr. Tom is bringing my luggage up. So our TV pops out of the ceiling here, so you can watch that. It's kind of cool because we've got controls behind Tom's pants that control the curtains on the sliding glass doors down there. So we can have the curtains pulled when we get up in the morning. Tom is trying to hide from the cameras. And here's the vanity. Put my little things in there. Closet. Safe in the closet. Bathroom. We've got one downstairs too. This is the upstairs one. Downstairs is just a stand-up shower. This one's got the tub with the handheld shower wand. But anyway, that's our room in a nutshell. 1708.